Hi friends, welcome to Kodeshika. In this tutorial, you will learn how to customize Oscar templates by extending it. I have already made a tutorial for customizing Oscar templates for Oscar version 1.6, but in Oscar 2.1, customizing templates is slightly different. So I am making this tutorial. So friends, if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to the channel Kodeshika because your likes and subscribes motivates me to do more videos. So please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's start the tutorial. If you want to use Oscars templates in our project, there are two options. First option is forking. In that we just fork the template into our local project so that it comes first in the include path. Suppose we want to customize a base.html template. First we need a project specific templates directory that comes first in the include path, and next we will copy Oscars base.html template into our templates directory, and then we will customize it to suit our needs. Second option is we will subclass parent, but we will use same template path. For example, for customizing base.html template, we need to create a same template path for the template, and it will extend Oscars base.html, but we will only customize the blocks that we needs to. So in this tutorial we will use second method, that is we will subclass parent but we will use same template path. So this is the Django project I have created, and I have already did all the settings for Oscar, and here I have opened the Django Oscar library which I cloned from GitHub link, and this is the same version of the library which I used in my project. Now first let's run the server. Py manage.py run server. I will open this link. So here first I want to change this logo. So this logo is defined in Oscar base.html template. In the block favicon, here is the path of the logo oscar/favicon.ico, and this is the name of the logo. So to change this logo we have to override this block. To do that, first we need to create our local base.html template with the same path, templates oscar base.html, by extending this oscars base.html template. So let's create a base.html in our project. So first I will create templates directory, templates. In that I will create Oscar directory, and in Oscar I will create base.html. First I will remove this. Then first we need to extend Oscar base.html. So extends Oscar/base.html. Next copy this block and paste here, and here we need to load static. So next we need to create a static Oscar directory to hold our own logo. So first I will create here directory static/Oscar, and in the Oscar directory I will paste my logo with the name logo.png. So let's change here the path, logo.png. So this will take our logo. So for static files you should have configured static URLs, static file directories and static root setting. In static file directory setting I have specified this static directory for static files for our project. So next, to look our templates directory, for templates we have to specify this template path in our template setting. So this is the function that determines the full path for the directories. So in the templates directories here I want to call the function location with the argument templates. So this is the main thing we have to do for customizing templates in Django Oscar 2.1. Now let's refresh here. You can see here I have successfully changed the logo. So next I want to change this shop name Oscar here, and also I want to give the tagline after this dash. So in Oscar base.html template, the shop name and the tagline is given inside the block title using the shop name and shop tagline template variables. So we can change this using Oscar settings in our settings file, and it will get reflected at every place where these variables are used. So in our project settings file we can give the shop name using settings Oscar shop name equals to, here I will give FlexiFlow pipes, and next Oscar tagline I can give using Oscar shop tagline equals to, here I will give pipes flexibility at any shape. Now let's refresh here. You can see here I have successfully changed the shop name and the tagline here, and here also it is displaying the shop name and the tagline, because this text is also given in brand.html template using the same template variables, that is shop name and shop tagline. So it is get reflected dynamically. So like this you can customize any Oscars template by extending it and only customizing the blocks that we need to. So friends, if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to the channel Korshika to get the new video updates first to you. Now I will meet in the next tutorial with the new topic. Bye bye.